Travel is changing. For years, budget airlines meant cheap flights with zero perks, no meals, no comfort, and fees for almost everything. But now, some of these same airlines are adding first-class style extra while keeping the price low. Now, if I want to write a full blog about this trend, the old way, it would have taken me hours of research, writing, and formatting. But with Autoblogging.ai, the process is faster than booking the actual flight, and let me show you how. The blog that you're seeing right now on Budget Airline was done in under 3 minutes. It's fully SEO ready with proper images, infographics, and proper headlines. And let me walk you through how I built it using Autoblogging.ai. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like Quick, Wizard, Bulk Generate. I'm going to go with Wizard because this takes me step by step through every setting so I don't miss on anything. Article title, I'm going to type Budget Airlines rolling out first class perks. Next, for the article language, Autoblogging supports 30 languages, so you can create the same blog in Spanish, French, Hindi, German, or any other instantly. Next, for the article length, I'm going to choose medium because I need a balanced detail but not an overwhelming blog. But short is great for a quick tips and long is an in-depth guide, great for SEOs. Next, the type of article, I'm gonna choose informative because it's built an explanatory article with step-by-step flow. But here's what others do. Listicle is structures the article in numbered or bullet sections. Places is it organizes content around locations such as city, region, or countries, and service by landing page creates a business-focused format with sections like features, benefits, and call to action. Next, for the tone of voice, I'm going to pick first person here because I want the article to make it feel like a personal one. But second person is more like speaking directly to the readers, and third person is more neutral and objective. Next, for the writing style, I'm going to keep conversational because I want a very friendly blog which is easy to follow. But here's what other style do. Auto adapts based on the topic. Less AI words make simpler and more natural language for the blog. Premium style 1 is SEO-optimized formatting. Snippet optimizer is tailored to rank in Google featured snippets. And witty is more playful and entertaining voice. And professional is more formal and a polished style. Next, I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes here for that extra polish for the blog. Now, intense optimized article. It strengthens the SEO structure with better headings and keyword placement. FAQs will pull real questions people are asking on Google and answer them inside your blog. AI images will generate relevant images and place them in automatically with alt text, and infographics create simple visuals like charts or breakdown. Next, SERP analysis. Now this feature scans the top ranking article for your topic. It studies their structure, the keyword pattern, and builds your article using those proven framework which is already ranking on Google, while keeping the text original. Here you have to do no guesswork and no manual editing. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box, type how you want your article to be, and in the SERP location, you can also select the country where you want to rank first. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition uses the same section outline as top ranking blogs. External link add references to trusted sources. YouTube video will add a relevant video for that engagement in the blog. And key takeaways creates a summary box at the end of the article. Next, AI proofreading. Now it automatically checks grammar, tone, and readability, so you don't need any manual editing. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. Next, internal linking. Now, if you enable this and enter your domain here, the AI will automatically connect this blog to other relevant posts you've published related to the particular blog title that we have chosen. It improves SEO and keep readers on your site for longer. Next, human proofreading. Now, if you want a real editor to review for the accuracy, tone, and the fact checks, you can just enable this and quickly leave a guideline for them. For this, you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from the dashboard. Now, just hit on Generate Article, click on the History tab, scroll down, and within minutes, you'll get a view-like icon here. Click on that. The article is ready with complete headings, structures, images, infographics, all done in under minutes. If you want to go even faster next time, here's what you can do. Go to quick and single mode and just enter your blog title here, and within fewer clicks you can generate an article. And you can also use a bulk generate option where you can upload multiple titles, till 100 titles, and Autoblogging will create all of them and even auto post them directly to WordPress. Budget airlines might be stepping into first class territory, but writing about travel trends like this doesn't need to take hours. With Autoblogging.ai, you can generate articles in minutes. And if you don't want to run the steps yourself, try our done for you blog service. Just share us the topic and we'll deliver the entire article to you. If this was helpful, hit a like, subscribe, and comment the next travel budgeting trend you would like me to cover next.